Welcome everyone. You may be in a situation where you have your Nintendo Switch and all of a sudden, you can't charge it anymore and then eventually turned off and it's not going to turn on anymore. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this issue. So the reason why is there's a bug where sometimes the Joy-Cons will take up more power than the Switch itself. And what's the English translation of this? So when you get your charger, what it's going to do is it's going to charge the Joy-Cons and it's not going to give enough charge to the Nintendo Switch to actually turn back on. So how do you solve this? Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is just remove both Joy-Cons off of your Nintendo Switch. So left Joy-Con gone, and then remove the second one as well. And then all you need to do is just plug in your Nintendo Switch to the power. Now, the charging may take an insanely long time, but just leave it on the charger. I recommend overnight or, for 24 hours. And when you come back, your Nintendo Switch should be back on, it should be charging, and the issue should be sorted. And if you ever have this again, what you need to do is just repeat the process again. Now, if that didn't work and your Nintendo Switch is still not turning on, what you will need to do is you will need to file a warranty complaint. So if you're in the UK, after you bought the Nintendo Switch, you have 5 years of warranty with consumer law rights. If you are in other countries, you may have 1 year, 2 years. I think the EU has 5 years, so it really depends on the country. You may need to look into your warranty laws. For the most part, Nintendo should offer a minimum 1 year warranty. And so what we need to do, go to Nintendo's website to do this. You just search up Nintendo Switch warranty claim. There will be a form, you need to fill it out, and you should get a free replacement for your Nintendo Switch. Of course, if you went like this to your Nintendo Switch, obviously they're not going to replace it, but if this was a genuine, random fault that happens, search up Nintendo Switch warranty claim and they should offer you a free Nintendo Switch replacement. So really, that's about it. Hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.